Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you need to remove or replace purge control valve. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it. Now we have the engine out of the car and we can show you even with a greater detail that way, but you don't have to remove your engine. Why we have it out? Because we'll be making a ton of videos guys that can save you, potentially probably save you thousands of dollars. So let's go ahead and explain where that valve is located and how to replace it if you need to. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this specifically guys, it's a 2.4 GDI engine out of a 2013 Hyundai. Many of you guys actually asked me in the comment section below to recommend a good diagnostics tool, and we decided to share that with you. This is the tool right here. It's amazing guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Hyundai is right here. Check out the link if you want to see what it does, how powerful it is and all that stuff. So where is guys that purge control valve? Okay, let's explain. On your Hyundai guys vehicle, you will have your intake hose. Depending on the year it may look a little bit different, but let me show you now, okay, where it's located. You have the air filter box here. You have okay, you're going to have one clamp that you need to get loose. Okay, and then you will need to remove that hose because the purge control valve is right here. So how you remove the hose? Okay, let's explain how to get the other clamp loose. Okay, this one right here, the same one will be on the air filter box. So this one is just with a 10mm socket guys. Just pre-loosen it. Okay, that's how the other one is. And the moment you pre-loosen it, okay, it should come loose. Okay, just be careful, okay, not to break anything. You might need to disconnect that hose here. Okay, this is a vacuum hose, so disconnect that one, and now you can just flop that thing towards the back usually. Okay, perfect. Now if you look at it now guys, okay, your purge control valve is located practically, okay, right here. So now that purge control valve guys, how do you remove that thing? Okay, it's right here. You're going to have two hoses. One is inlet hose, okay, this side coming from the fuel tank. The other one is an outlet hose that goes to the intake manifold, okay, past the throttle body. Okay, you can see down there. So the one that we have from the car already removed because we had to remove the engine, but it's identical to this one. You just remove the hose clamp and you pull the hose out, and the same thing you do to the other side. Okay, now sometimes those things will get stuck, okay, stuck to the point that they may not come out, and that's where we want to show you one trick. Underneath here there is one metal tube that can get stuck. So if you get on top and you pry it with a screwdriver down that metal tube, okay, your valve will come out, and later you need to straighten it so the new valve will not fall off. Now we will explain about that in just a second. Let's disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, that tooth is right here guys. That's the one that you need to straighten now. Okay, and when you straighten it, okay, that tooth will get stuck here and it will not be able to slide out. Now you can go ahead, okay, disconnect the wiring harness, and this is the purge control valve. If you want to see how to test purge control valve and what are the symptoms of bad purge control valve, we have a special video that's going to explain that. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.